Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today I am going to be showing you something in this really cute packaged box that I received from the SunnyZone. And it just arrived and I can't wait to tell you all about it. I was contacted by Hazel from the SunnyZone, and SunnyZone, if you've never heard of it before, they have lots of different kinds of, I guess, feel-good, fun signs. They've got cups, they have drinkware, they have door signs, bracelets, they have metal signs, flags, pillows, they have blanket hoodies, they have doormats, posters, ornaments, beach shorts, and beach towels. They got all kinds of things, and they have been seen on Fox 40, NBC, Digital Journal, and As Central, and NCN. And they have all kinds of things, and they personalize everything for you. So it can be for dog lovers, cat lovers, your mom or dad, your besties, your couples, your brother, sister, or they even have memorial style signs, and you can get them all personalized, and that is what's so cool. And I'm going to run some of those pictures through there so you can see. But we're going to open this up, and I want to show you what I have. Now I want to tell you, when she contacted me, she asked me to go look over at their site, and there is so much to pick from, and it was very hard to make a decision. And isn't this just cute packaging? That's the way it came, and so they kind of have that spirit of the sunny side, so to speak. So it's the SunnyZone, and it's just to lift your spirits up. And then the box says it's personalized gifts, and they did personalize it. And I picked out a sign that I thought they would just create the one that looked, that was on there. And she sent me a message, and she asked me, and look how well packaged it is. It's got foam all around it. And she asked me if I would send photos, because I decided I was going to do a sign that dealt with my dogs. So she asked me, would I send photos of my dogs? And I was surprised that she asked me that, because I really wasn't expecting that. And she even asked me for their names, and so that kind of surprised me too. And so I'm going to show you this sign in a moment, and I just want y'all to know that I was just over the top when she sent me my proof. They get back with you, they ask you, or maybe during the order process, maybe they ask you for photos or your personalization, whatever it is that you want on there. And they did that for me. And inside here, I'm not sure if she sent me some extra samples of things, but I've got a little package here, and I don't know if these are other things. Apparently these would be other things that they sell. But anyway, she asked me to send pictures of my dogs and names, and I did. And then when I got my proof back, I was just blown away and couldn't wait to see this sign. And guys, this is going to blow you away too. But she sent me some information here. This is the SunnyZone, and it's a QR. It's a thank you for choosing us, and it may be some type of special deal. I'm not sure. I didn't scan that. Inside here I have a magnet with a goose head on it. Isn't that so cute? That is just so cute. So you can get this type of items made. And look at this little pen. It's a little kitty cat in a cup. Isn't that adorable? Oh, that is just so adorable. And then I've got some wooden clips, and these are Every Decoration Better Life with Heart. Aren't those cute? Now you could just clip your little bags or clip anything, but look at the little cute kitty cats on there. Oh, that is so cute. Thank you, Hazel. But now we're going to get on to the main event here. And when I tell you you can pick out all kinds of things, I mean, well, I just mentioned a whole bunch of them, and I'm going to scroll pictures across there. But you guys have to take a look at this. And like I said, it is packaged up very well. I got a 10 sign, and I sent her 5 pictures. I sent one of Charlie, my Jack Russell. He's a Parson Russell, actually. I sent one of Maggie, my little Maltese. I sent one of my poodle, Morgan. And I sent one of Tootsie, my little Yorkshire Terrier, and Morgan is a toy poodle. And I sent one of Xena, my long-haired Chihuahua. And guys, look at my sign. Oh my goodness, look at this. I need to take it out of the wrapping. I don't want any glare on there. This has been personalized for my home and for my dogs, and this is beautiful. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Welcome. Hope you like dogs. And then we have Charlie, Maggie, Morgan, Tootsie, and Xena. And of course, that's just 5 of my dogs. But when she asked me to send pictures, I thought I would try to send a collective of the dogs, of most of them that I do breed and or have bred, like what I call like the Yorkie Poo would be the Poodle Morgan with Tootsie. And if I wanted a multi-poo, it would be with Maggie and Morgan. Morgan's my star stud. He's an AKC championship dog, and he's beautiful. He has a gorgeous coat. I mean, he's definitely show quality, could probably win show just in his looks and his coat alone. When you think of the toy poodle that has all the poofed out hair with the ball on the end of their tail and just stand just magnificently, that's my Morgan. And I have Xena, and Xena is a long coat Chihuahua, and we make Chipoos. That's Chihuahua Poodle. Some people call them Choodles, but anyways, with the mixture, and of course we've had purebred of all of these, including our star, Mr. Charlie here. We have Parson Russells that go back 100 years with their pedigrees, all the way back to the Foxhorn and Mynell of England, which are just excellent, excellent pedigrees. It's like roll out the royal carpet for my Parson Russells. But anyways, guys, these are just great, and I just love this, Hazel. This is just so cute. I can't wait to put this up. It does have little holes here where I can pin it up, and they've got 4 on each corner, so I can pin it up real easily. But I just love this sign. I'll probably keep it inside is where I'll keep it. What do you guys think? And they look like my puppies. That's what's so amazing. Oh, it's just so cute. Thank you, Hazel. This is just awesome. And when I heard from Hazel, I really didn't even know what the SunnyZone is. But now that I do, and now that I've gotten my sign, you could get one for the lake, for the beach, for your home, for your animals, for your cats. The signs are just unbelievable. And there's, like man cave signs. There's signs that guys, if they've got a garage or a tool shed or something, I mean, there is just all kinds of signs. And then there's all kinds of mugs and cups, and you can get mother-daughter cups, you can get couples cups, you can get whatever you want on them. And of course, I mentioned all the other, and they customize it for them. And I would tell you, it probably takes a couple of weeks for the customization by the time they get the order in and then get it shipped to you. But that's like nothing really. I mean, considering that you're going to get a personalized sign. So thank you so much, Hazel. I'm so happy that you reached out to me. And guys, I will have a discount code in my description along with their link so that you can pop on over there. And guys, this is just to let you know what you can get at the SunnyZone. She wanted to send this out to me free for review, and after that it's up to you, and any discount is all for you. I am not affiliated with the SunnyZone. I am just happy to be able to show you their nice product and the sign that I got, and I'm so excited. You guys let me know what you think about my sign and my little doggies there. I just love each and every one of them. They are just so special to me. But guys, I love it. Thank you so much, Hazel. Let me know if this would be something you're interested in, and reach out to the SunnyZone if it is. Be sure and also check my descriptions for any current giveaways that are going on. I've got my 2K celebration going on right now. I have the TEMU Party Time Christmas in July wrapping up on August 25th. You have a chance still to get into that as long as the 25th is not over yet. And I also have a couple other giveaways out there that you might be interested in. I have a FabFitFun battle that's coming up. It's going to be the FabFitFun Triple Crown Battle collaboration with reviews with Sue and Laura Wooten unboxings. But anyways, guys, that's all I have for the SunnyZone. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.